Caren, welcome to Texas Farmstead Living. Today I'm going to show you how to make healthy gluten-free peach crisp. It is perfect for an easy gluten-free dessert, and it is beautiful and delicious served for breakfast. What you will need to make this recipe is, you will need 4 cups of peaches. These peaches are from our organic peach orchard, and I process lots of peaches every year, and I'm always looking for great peach recipes. But if you'll look back, we have a video about how to freeze peaches. So you'll need 4 cups of sliced peaches. You'll need sea salt, maple syrup or honey. I always like to squeeze a little lemon juice over my peaches to avoid browning. Oatmeal and arrowroot powder is a great thickener for all of your fruit desserts, and almond flour and coconut oil. And if you want to sprinkle over a little cinnamon, that is delicious also. And I like to bake this peach crisp in an 8x8 pan. So let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do is we're going to put the peaches in our 8x8 pan. And I usually don't put any kind of butter in first or anything. I just put the peaches, and I like to leave my peaches just slightly frozen because I really don't like them to turn brown. I do everything I can to avoid that. So I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. Now we're ready to bake our peach crisp in a 350 oven for about 45 minutes. A little tip, you want to make sure that you get this topping golden brown because the oatmeal and the almond flour will toast, and it makes it so delicious. This peach crisp recipe is beautiful with ice cream or fresh cream. We like to pour our Jersey cream right over the topping, and it is so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will subscribe to our channel for more on Farmstead Living, where we inspire, educate, and guide you in living your healthiest, best life. From our Texas Hill Country Farmstead to you, have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.